Hi mga ka-shoutout! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is the Shoutout Love Knowledge. So yan guys, thank you for watching and for clicking this video for you to watch. And I hope you don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell below para ma-notify kayo sa mga next vlog ko. And I hope you watch and finish this video. So for this vlog, we're going to unbox my bathtub that I ordered through online. And I'm excited to open. And yan ang itsura no i-unbox natin through online na picture. And I hope na maganda siya. But I feel positive with this. And mahaba siya. And I guess kasya ang 2 tao sa bathtub na yan. I hope you enjoy this vlog and don't forget to like this video. So let's start unboxing.
So this is the bathtub that we're going to unbox. So yan, mahaba siya guys. So I guess kasya talaga dito ang 2 tao or 3 if they're just going to sit. So let's start unboxing it. Okay, maanang po ah. So yan guys. So this is ang tawag dito sa ibabaw. Lumagani kang daw. Magbaban. So let's tanggal the plastic. Parang bago. Amoy pa. Amoy pa. Amoy bago siya. Amoy bago. Sa video mo. Dito sa lang. So ito di pa lang para saan ito lalagay. Okay. So ito sa ulo. So this will be So ito ilalagay sa itong pipe. So ito sa labas na ilalagay mamaya. Para pagtatanggalin ng water, ganun. So ito pala pa dito. Lusong dada. So yan guys ang itsura niya kapag ang tawag doon kapag pinush mo siya. So, malalim naman siya. And I guess it's wonderful. So, yan. Ganda-ganda niya, guys. Super. So, para sa mga gustong meron maka-avail ng ganito, guys. Kahit hindi mahal. Kasi alam naman natin na ang bathtub is mahal. Lalo na kapag pang mayaman. So, this is good for you guys. If you want to buy this. And this one is to cover up para kapag gusto niyo yung gamitin yung mainit na water, hindi siya lumalabas yung init niya, or para hindi mawala agad yung init. And patungan nyo na rin, guys, as you can see with that picture. Pwede mo siyang gawing patungan if you want to watch movie while your babad your body, charis. So yan, guys, ang itsura niya, super pretty, ganda-ganda. So mahaba na rin siya kasi kaya maganda talaga siya pambabad ng katawan. So I guess kasi talaga ang dalawa dito, and this is lagyanan ng may iba ng boses ko. So this is lagyanan of your sabon and pangustos and whatsoever, or your phone, anything, food, whatsoever, guys. So this is where your head will go, charis. May iba ng boses ko, guys. Medyo galing pas kasi ako sa sakit. So I don't know where this, for what use of this. So later na lang natin siya ilalagay.
So that's all, guys, for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy and learn things how it look like sa actual if you're planning to buy this kind of bathtub. And I suggest, guys, you buy because it's worth it. The size, the price, it's fine as long as the quality itself is good. So this is good for 2 person, and this Christmas you can make this as a gift sa wife or your husband, sa mga matagal dyan maligo. Ganda din itong ipanregalo. So yan, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. In advance, Merry Christmas to everyone, and God bless.